Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing visible distractions and entering Minecraft full screen. Close overlays like Discord and Steam so they can't force the taskbar to appear. Once done, set Windows taskbar to auto-hide in personalization settings so it retracts automatically. This prevents accidental reveals. Launch Minecraft and press F11 to toggle native full screen mode. This confines rendering and typically hides the taskbar. Make sure to check that Minecraft is the active window before continuing to avoid layered UI conflicts. You now move to a borderless window approach to completely eliminate the taskbar showing when Alt-tabbing. Use Minecraft Launcher options or a trusted utility to enable borderless windowed mode, and set the game resolution to match your desktop resolution so edges align perfectly. Once configured, disable Windows Game Bar, Xbox overlays, and any compatibility mode settings that might force a taskbar presence. This gives you full-screen visuals with instant Alt-tab behavior and reduces instances where the taskbar pops up during sessions. You finish by validating the setup and handling common failures. If the taskbar still appears, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager to refresh the shell. This often clears sticky UI. Test Alt-Tab and Control plus Alt plus Delete to ensure the taskbar doesn't resurface, and make sure no background apps are set to always be on top. If problems persist, update your GPU drivers and recheck overlay or recording software settings. These are frequent culprits. If you need more help, retrace steps and confirm each toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.